The earth pin on our 3-pin plug is longer and thicker. What is the reason for that? I am electrical engineer. Today I am going to break down the reason behind that. So please don't skip this video till its last. In our arrangement, here is a wall socket and it is a 3-pin plug and it is an iron box. First, I am going to tell you about why our earth pin is long. See, if we try to connect this 3-pin plug on this wall socket, before getting connected this phase and neutral to these pins, first our earth pin will establish a connection with this earth point. Okay, our earth point is already connected to the earth. What is the advantage of this one? Suppose our iron box is damaged, its coil touches this body. Okay, so what will happen when we try to charge this one? The current from this phase will flow through the body part of this iron box. Because of this, earth pin is long, and whenever we try to fix our 3-pin plug on this socket, at that time itself the current flows through this body part will directly flow towards this point and then to the earth. So whenever a person touches this iron box, he will not get any shock. But the dangerous situation is when it is break over here, this earth pin, then this current on this iron box will not flow through this earth. At that time, the person will definitely get a shock. The next thing is why the earth pin is thicker. We make it thicker to reduce the resistance of this earth pin. The resistance equation is R is equal to rho L by A. Whenever the area is high, then the resistance is less. Because of this thickness of the earth pin, its area is more. Because of this high area, its resistance is less. Suppose current is flowing through the iron box, and when a person touches this faulty iron box, then this current has two paths, two ways. Which are the ways? First one is through the human body to the ground, and then through this earth pin and then to the ground. So which path will be chosen by this current? Always the home resistance is less than 3 ohms. But the human body's resistance is far more than these 3 ohms. Due to this low resistance path, the current will flow this way and the person will not get the electric shock. So when our earthing system on our home is good and our iron box is faulty condition, then at that time the high induced current will flow towards the earth. This high induced current will actually come from this phase. Okay, the phase is already connected to the breaker of the distribution board. So when the current is more, the circuit breaker will trip and protect our circuit. I hope now you understood why the earth pin is long and thick. If so, please like my video and give me your comments. And please support me by subscribing my YouTube channel and press the bell icon. By doing so, you will not miss my any upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.